have pajamas? Let me show you guys what I properly got from Boohoo. Hi again, welcome back. It's currently 11:45, Tuesday 9th of April. I'm in London at the moment, in the middle of getting ready. So yeah, today I have an event with Boohoo. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you wouldn't know this, but I have joined the Boohoo family as part of the Queens on Campus squad sort of thing. I'm really excited for it actually. So we've got an event today in London, quite handy. I had to pack like an overnight bag. We sleep overnight at a hotel, so very excited. It's quite early, but I just thought I'd get ready early so that I can be ready early. Everything I'm going to be wearing today is from Boohoo, gifted by Boohoo, so thanks guys. So I'll leave all the links down below. Should be fun. I'm excited to like meet all the other girls. From what I understand, the whole thing starts at like 4 p.m. and we're gonna have like dinner with all the girls. I'll show you what I'm wearing in a sec. This top is part of it.
Let's do this right. Let's go to. This should be like Friday night. She can love someone back the way they love her. I don't think so. High schoolers now, we all cell phoned up. I used to. When I hear me a beat and a bass, just need me a beat and a bass. You like substance when you say something.
Love her.
What is love, really?
This is the outfit. Everything's from Boohoo. I was gonna be like, these shoes are from Boohoo. Shoes, trousers, belt, this top. I also have a coat, a black coat that I'll probably wear as well. But yeah. Okay, so it's kind of like, it's like 2:10 at the moment. I'm about to leave my house. The event starts at 4, but so I'm gonna be a bit early. I always like to get places earlier than I should, just in case, I don't know, something goes wrong. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk to the train station, get the train. Yeah, going to Old Street. But yeah, I've got the coat on now. The weather was a bit trashed earlier. I don't own an umbrella, but living in England, I probably should. But yeah, that's what's going on. I'm excited. Let's go. I'm in Farringdon right now. I've got time to kill, so I'm gonna go to Starbucks and figure out the way to go. You guys, do you want to say hi? Do you want to introduce yourself? I'll put your Instagrams up here as well.
I'm Janet.
And what do you guys do?
I study law at Portsmouth. I do legal studies at Portsmouth.
So we all go to Portsmouth University.
You wait a little longer. There's something that I need to say. But I need you to know. Oops, I did it while you might lose your mind. Oops, I let it slide. Oh, so many times. Oops, I did it while you might lose your mind. Oops, I let it slide. I'm out of time.
Out here taking photos. These lot are using my phone over here to take pictures, as you do.
Cause you're running my veins, you're everywhere I go. Cause you're running my veins, and you deserve to know. Cause you're running my lose your mind. Oops, I let it slide. Oh, so many times. Oops, I did it while you might lose your mind. Oops, I let it slide. I'm out of time. My babe, where I go. My babe.
Alright, so it's currently 8:12. It's 8:12. We're here, we just had dinner, started dessert, all of that. I find it amazing. Steak was so good, so good. But now we are making cocktails. I don't drink, so I won't be drinking them, but should be making them. I'll be making them. Yeah, so far so good. Like, it's so cute.
We're going to start off with espresso martini. So just to give you a quick, like, I've only been to Grind. We're a brand who are known for like just living influences, and we have a lot of them here. Because I saw you all come in, and as soon as the Prosecco was there, I felt like...
Go on, go on. This is my creation. 10 days. Time to go to the hotel. Let's come get my box. Oh, this is me, guys!
It's just Paris. That's cool.
Thank you. It was like the most amazing night ever. Yeah.
Right, so tell us what's going on.
So we just got to the hotel.
Yeah.
Point A, King's Cross. It's like basically 10 p.m.
Yeah.
And I think some people are going out, but
Yeah, no.
I'm not dressed.
Are you going out? Yeah, no.
We're just gonna chill today.
Yeah.
But yeah, like so far so good. Let's go, let's go. Hey. Ooh.
We have PJs.
We have pajamas. This is so adorable. Of the night.
So cute.
Shout out to Boohoo. Right. We're checking out. It is like 9:30 a.m. I'm so tired, as you can hear in my voice.
Stay safe on our escalators. Hold the handrail.
I'm in Leicester Square at the moment. I decided to make a quick detour because I've been wanting to try donut time for the longest time now. That's where I'm going, and then I'm gonna go home. But it's literally like, it's 10 a.m. at the moment. I'm so tired. I look like trash, as you can see, but yeah, that's what's going on. Leicester Square. £4.50, so I'm not really sure. I literally just got a glazed one, just because, you know, play it safe. But look at the size. It's huge.
Welcome aboard this bus. Elmstead Woods.
Okay, alright, so the lighting's gonna make me look so trash, but to be honest, it's not the lighting. Anyway, so back home now. It's currently, what's my phone? It's currently 11:15. I feel like I didn't really show you guys what I properly got from Boohoo. So, first thing, this pop socket. I love pop sockets. It came in the box, it just says Boohoo. This is the box we got like when we like arrived and like sat down for the briefing and all that stuff. So I got a like fanny pack. I feel like it could be good for like any festivals if I decide to go to a festival or something. Ooh. I don't know why I said ooh as if I haven't opened this already. This is blusher. I didn't even know until today that, or yesterday even, that Boohoo did makeup. The makeup legit, like I tried some of it. They have like some really nice highlighters, the lip kits. Like they all, it seems like really cool and like really good for like sensitive skin. But yeah, this is the blusher. Look at me being a beauty guru. Comes in like 3 different shades and they have other palettes and stuff as well. Obviously the pajamas they gave us in the hotel. We stayed at the Point A hotel in King's Cross. Got my little head thing. And then also some Boohoo lashes. I didn't know Boohoo did eyelashes. Now if you've seen any of my previous videos you would know I'm not the best at putting on eyelashes. Ooh, they look really nice. Nice and natural. Other girls got like different stuff, so some people got like the primers, some people got the lip liners, and yeah, so that's what I got in my box. Overall, it was like such a good like couple days. I really enjoyed just like meeting everyone, getting to know the girls. First time doing this, excuse my energy, like I'm so tired. I slept maybe half an hour. Just because I don't know why I couldn't sleep. Everyone was really nice. It was good to just like, you know, go over what we're gonna have to do. I'm excited to like show you my favourite looks and my favourite pieces and all that sort of stuff. The rest of the day, I'm just gonna try take a nap, sleep, and then do some work. So apart from that, like there's nothing really that interesting going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Turn notifications on so that you don't miss any videos. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna go now, but I'll see you next time. So bye.